Why are you still coughing? It's been weeks. It's not normal anymore.
I didn't think it was serious until I started feeling tired all the time. I just got back from my doctor and had a tuberculosis test. Uso daw yung TB ngayon. She recommended the Quantiferon TB Gold test at high precision. It's a more accurate TB blood test and you only need to go once.
If your cough isn't going away, don't ignore it. Get tested early. Pa-hyper ka na.